Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Today we are gonna take a look on the official Note 20 unboxing video. But before we move on to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and make sure you hit that bell button so you are not gonna miss any future videos. First we have the box with the N20 logo and down we have written Note 20 5G, a similar box to the Note 20 Ultra's box. The last thing on the front of the box is the S Pen, which is in the color of the phone. So here we have the mystic bronze color on the S Pen. In the box we have the phone in the mystic bronze color. Next in the box is the charging brick, which is a 25 watt super fast charger. Just like the Note 20 Ultra, the Note 20 is just 25 watt capable. Next we have the paperwork, the quick start guide and the SIM ejector pin. We have the charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-C, and the final thing is the USB-C earphones tuned by AKG. It's good to see that Samsung is still giving some good quality headphones in the box. With the earphones we got as well the interchangeable ear tips. Even the phone looks amazing in this mystic bronze color, which is the same as on the Note 20 Ultra with the matte finish. The Note 20 has a plastic back, so we are losing the premium glass back feeling. We have a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, but this time around it's just a 1080p display, so no more fancy 1440p resolution for this phone. And we have the selfie camera, which is a 10 megapixel camera. On the back we have the same camera arrangement as on the Note 20 Ultra, but with different camera lenses. On the Note 20 we have a 12 megapixel main camera with dual pixel autofocus, so we don't have the laser autofocus as on the Note 20 Ultra. For the ultra wide we have a 12 megapixel camera, and for the telephoto camera we have a 64 megapixel camera with just 3x optical zoom, so no more fancy 50x zoom, you can only zoom up to 30x. And finally the S Pen, which has some improvements but not as big as on the Note 20 Ultra. The battery is a 4300 mAh battery, which Samsung claims is an all day long battery. Well, we have to see that first. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Bye bye!